Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. And this is tutorial 35th in the edition. Thank you very much for joining us on this program. In the last tutorial, we learned how to separate different elements on your web page, and that is called a div, using the div ID. We learned how to use the div ID to separate different elements and place them in different positions on your web page. Today we're going to be studying another element called the pseudo element. Now the pseudo element not necessarily mean that they are fake element, but here you have several paragraphs, say a paragraph on your web page, and you want to effect a change on maybe the first line or the first letter or the first word on the element. So we are going to use this activity to effect the change. For example, you want to change the first letter. Now let me create some paragraphs on the body of the script. Let me create some paragraphs. Now let's create some paragraph. For example, Paul is going home. Okay, John is shopping. Second paragraph, John is shopping. And the third one, Thomas is walking. Thomas is walking. Okay, let's surround it with paragraph tag. Opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, and then a closing tag. So we have 3 paragraphs on our web page. Paul is going home, John is shopping, Thomas is walking. We have 3 paragraphs. So now I'm going to show you how you can effect a change on, say, the first letter, which we call the pseudo element. The first letter, the first paragraph, the first letter here is P. The second paragraph, the first letter here is J, and the third paragraph, the first letter here is T. So I'm going to show you how you can use CSS to effect some change on those elements, which we refer to here as the pseudo element. Now this is what you will do on the CSS script. Now you write P colon first letter. You write first letter. After the first you have dash and letter, and then parenthesis open. You write font dash weight. Let's put it as bold, semicolon. Go down, font dash size colon. Let's say 30px, semicolon. Then you go down, color. Let's leave it at green, semicolon, and then let's close the parenthesis. Now let's save and refresh to see what we have done. Okay, this is what we have done. You can see that the first letter, Paul, is green. The first letter in the sentence, Paul is going home, is green. John, J, is green and bold. T is green and bold. So that's what we have done. And sometimes this can make your website beautiful. So these are the things you can do to make your website look unique and beautiful. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.